Hello guys, this is Nishtha Saraf. A very warm welcome to my new YouTube channel NEET Exam Prep with Nishtha. So today we are practicing some previous year important questions of NEET exam, and as you know that 70% of questions are repeated every year in the NEET examination. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So today we are going to practice cell cytology important previous year questions. So first question is, which of the following cell organelles is responsible for extracting energy from carbohydrates to form ATP? So first is ribosome, B chloroplast, C mitochondria, D lysosome. So the correct answer is our C option, mitochondria. So moving to the next question, select the mismatch: A. Gas vacuoles, green bacteria; B. Large central vacuoles, animal cells; C. Protist eukaryotes; D. Methanogens, prokaryotes. So the correct answer will be, guess what? So the correct answer will be A. Gas vacuoles, green bacteria. Because protists are not eukaryotic, methanogens, prokaryotes not. So the correct answer will be our A option, gas vacuoles, green bacteria. Moving to the next question, select the wrong statement. A. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. B. Pili and fimbriae are mainly involved in motility of bacterial cell. C. Cyanobacteria lack flagellated cells. D. Mycoplasma is wall-less microorganism. So our correct answer will be option A, because cyanobacteria lack flagellated cells is right. Mycoplasma is a wall-less microorganism is also the correct option. So our wrong will be question third answers A. So moving to the next question, a cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzymes is A. Lysosome, B. Microsome, C. Ribosome, D. Mesosome. So our correct answer will be option A, lysosome. Moving to the next question, mitochondria and chloroplast are A. Semi-autonomous organelles, B. Formed by division of pre-existing organelles and then they contain DNA but lack of protein synthesizing machinery. So B option will be wrong and our A option is correct. So which one of the following option is correct? A is true but B is false. So the option A will be our right answer. Moving to the next question, microtubules are the continuant of. So the right option will be option number D, spindle fibers, centrioles and cilia. So moving to the next question, which one of the following cell organelles is enclosed by a single membrane? A. Lysosome, B. Nuclei, C. Mitochondria and D. Chloroplast. So as we know that lysosome has a cell organelle and have a enclosed by a single membrane. So our correct answer will be lysosome. Question number 8. Match the columns and identify the correct options. So column A, thylakoid disc shaped sacs in Golgi apparatus. So इसका आंसर होगा flat membranous sac in stroma. B, क्रिस्टाई, इसका आंसर होगा इन ऑप्शंस में से फोर्थ इनफोल्डिंग्स इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. देन सिस्टर्नाई, इसका आंसर होगा हमारा फर्स्ट डिस्क shaped sac in Golgi apparatus. Number D, chromatin and this is matched with second option, condensed structure of DNA. So the answer will be option number D. A का third, B का fourth, C का first and D second. Question number 9. Which of the following structures is not found in prokaryotic cell? So mesosome, plasma membrane, nuclear envelope and D ribosome. So correct answer will be option A, C, nuclear envelope. Moving to the next question, cellular organelles with membranes are. So option A, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome and nuclei. B, lysosome, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria. Option C, nuclei, ribosome and mitochondria. Option D, chromosome, ribosome and endoplasmic reticulum. So please, as we are doing revision, guess the correct answer, and the correct will be option B, lysosome, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria, because the question is cellular organelles with the membranes. So राइबोसोम इधर पे आ गया तो दिस इज रॉन्ग एंड देयर इज ऑल्सो अ राइबोसोम एंड इन ऑप्शन फोर्थ हैज ऑल्सो राइबोसोम. सो our 10th answer is B. Which of the following are not membrane bound? किसके पास स्ट्रक्चर मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड जैसा नहीं है? सो लाइजोसोम, बी मीजोसोम, सी वैक्यूल्स, D ribosome. So our answer will be guess what? D ribosome. And this is a question of 2015. So we are revising our previous year questions nicely. So question number D, DNA is not present in A, nucleus, B, mitochondria, C, chloroplast, D, ribosome. So our correct answer will be ribosome. And this is the question of 2015, which exam will be cancelled. So we are also included that question because this is also an important question. Question number 13. Nuclear envelope is a derivative of microtubules. B, rough endoplasmic reticulum. C, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. D, membrane of Golgi complex. And this is a question of 2015 again, which is cancelled. So the answer will be option number B, rough endoplasmic reticulum. So moving to the next question, select the correct matching in the following pairs. So A, rough ER, synthesis of glycogen. B, rough ER, oxidation of fatty acid. C, smooth ER, oxidation of phospholipids. D, smooth ER, synthesis of lipid. So the correct option will be answer D, smooth ER, synthesis of lipid. Also 2015 cancelled examination question. Moving to the next, the chromosome in which centromere is situated close to one end are. Option A, telocentric, B, submetacentric, C, metacentric and D, acrocentric. So the answer will be, guess what? I made the diagram in front of you. Please select the correct option. So our correct option will be acrocentric. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is not an inclusion body found in prokaryotes? So option A, glycogen granule, B, polysome, C, phosphate granules, D, cyanophycine granule. So the correct answer will be polysome, and the question is again from 2015 cancelled exam. Moving to the next question, the solid linear cytoskeleton elements having a diameter of 6 nm and are made up of a single type of monomer are known as. So we have to tell about 6 nm of diameter. So option A, microtubules, B, microfilaments, C, intermediate filaments, D, lamins. So the correct answer will be option B microfilaments. So moving to the next question, and हाँ ये 2014 का question था. So moving to the next question, the osmotic expansion of a cell kept in water is chiefly regulated by A. Mitochondria, B. Vacuoles, C. Plastid, D. Ribosome. So the correct answer will be option number B. Vacuoles. And this is a question of 2014 previous year. So moving to the next question, match the following and select the correct option. A. Centriole enfoldings in mitochondria. B. Chlorophyll and thylakoids. C. Cristae nuclei acid, and D. Ribozyme basal body of cilia or flagella. So centriole is based to basal body of cilia or flagella. B option thylakoid. C will be enfoldings in mitochondria, and D related to the nuclei acids. So our correct option will be A fourth, B second, C first, D third. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to share, subscribe and like the video, and click on the bell icon to get notification first, and tell me in the comment section in which topic you want to practice the questions in my next video. Thank you.